Good afternoon, and thank you for joining the Refreshing Point. I hope that you are doing well. Today I will be sharing with you the health benefits of eggplant, plus smoothie and juice recipes. The eggplant, also known as aubergine in the UK and France, is distinguishable by its vibrant dark purple color and stretched egg-like shape. When you think of eggplants, you naturally think of them in a vegetable patch. But did you know that an eggplant isn't actually a vegetable? It's technically a fruit, a berry to be exact. It is part of the nightshade family, which includes tomatoes, sweet peppers, and potatoes. The eggplant originates from India, where it is considered the queen of the vegetable patch. Eggplants are a good source of dietary fiber, calcium, antioxidants, and vitamins, including vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B6, and niacin. Eggplants also come loaded with a host of minerals essential for the effective functioning of the body, including magnesium, phosphorus, copper, and potassium. Eggplant skin is the most prominent natural source of niacin, a potent antioxidant which prevents iron accumulation and neutralizes free radicals, giving it anti-aging properties. Niacin also protects lipids in brain cell membranes and has cancer-fighting properties since it restricts the growth of new blood vessels while keeping present blood vessels clear and relaxed. A topical eggplant extract has been shown to be very effective for the treatment of skin cancers. It has polyphenols which exhibit anti-cancer effects. It also contains anthocyanins and chlorogenic acid compound, and possesses antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. They protect body cells from damage caused by free radicals and in turn prevent tumor growth and spread of cancer cells. They also stimulate detoxifying enzymes within cells and promote cancer cell death. Due to its high fiber content and low amounts of soluble carbohydrates, eggplants are an ideal food for managing diabetes. Eggplant extracts can inhibit an enzyme that causes type 2 diabetes by controlling glucose absorption and lowering blood pressure, which can lead to hypertension. Phytonutrients found in eggplant may protect brain cell membranes from various damages. The potassium in eggplants also act as a vasodilator and brain booster. This is known as brain food. The flavonoids found in eggplants play an important role in heart health, while the presence of phenolic compounds can actively reduce blood pressure, lower cholesterol, and help to prevent the formation of blood clots. Juice made from the leaves and roots of the eggplant can be effective in treating throat and stomach disorders, asthma, toothache, rheumatism, and skin problems. Eggplant juice is extremely nutritious and is delicious if mixed with the right ingredients. Unlike citrus fruits, it would be difficult to squeeze an eggplant by hand, so you may need to use a good quality juicer to produce the best results. This powerful smoothie is a great start to taking care of yourself from the inside out. Eggplants are a highly ranked free radical scavenger. Grapes are full of antioxidants called polyphenols, which have been shown to fight back against certain types of cancers. You're also getting a healthy dose of chlorophyll, which is another cancer fighter, from spinach, and flaxseed has been shown to have positive effects on skin cancer. Eggplant is a versatile ingredient that can be prepared and enjoyed in a variety of different ways. It is rich in nutrients and comes with many potential health benefits. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.